Hi everyone, Gokul Alex this side. It's my pleasure and privilege to present in the Matic network Build and Earn 2020 round 2. I'm part of the Fusion Ledger team presenting the EbbNet money streaming app over Matic network. Let me share the screen and take you through the presentation for the demo day. As you can see here, EbbNet is the concept of money streaming in Matic network. This is inspired by one of the pioneering thoughts from Andreas Antonopoulos, the blockchain guru who has inspired many of us. He has envisioned a future where we will be money streaming or streaming money over blockchain. And he envisaged Lightning Network to be the embodiment of money streaming. From there, we have traveled a lot further. Now we have so much of interesting capabilities in Ethereum ecosystem and today in Matic network. I am aspiring to build money streaming using latest ERC 20, ERC 1620, ERC 1671, and ERC 1363 standards and other interesting possibilities. Let me quickly move from the video to subsequent parts of the presentation. Money streaming is essentially the continuous payments over a finite period of time. Here, the block numbers are used as the proxy of time. As you know, we can use block numbers in Solidity smart contracts to represent the dimensions of time. Here, you can continuously update the balances through block numbers. What I'm introducing here is block number indexed with verified randomness produced from Starkware VDO verified delay functions. Starkware VDO generated randomness is cryptographically verified. That is the security. And I've been working closely with the Starkware VDF ever since the Starkware hackathon. In 2020 itself, I was one of the finalists in the Starkware VDF hackathon where I could build random oracles, random auctions, and random lotteries. So why do we need money streaming? In all the world around us, we have containers of money and they control the way we think about them, right? So wherever you go, banks, micropayment apps, mobile payment apps, they are all containers of money. But how do we think about a new container of money in a decentralized world, which will enable us to manage the time dimension of money, which will help us to curate the money better? What are the possibilities? You can stream salaries per minute, stream incentives paid per minute. You can do discounts per minute. So the cash flow takes a whole different meaning in money streaming. Some of the use cases are just-in-time delivery, time-based services, dynamic lending, and rotating credit accounts. It's an atomic approach to long-term monetary commitments. Applications are salaries, as we mentioned, subscriptions, micropayments, rents, parking, and pensions. So payments from currently they are discrete chunks, but then they become continuous flow in a decentralized system. ERC 1620 is a standard guidance for us in money streaming. We have, so Fusion Ledger here acts as the provider. So there is a provider, payer, and payee. Provider set up the money streaming contract. A prospective payer can interact with the contract and stream right away by depositing the fund. And here we'll be using the deposit automatic network. The payee will be able to withdraw the money from the contract based on the ongoing solvency. The stream terms like payment rate, length, metadata can be updated anytime. And the stream can be stopped at any point in time by any party without on-chain consensus. This is the current standard, but this is something I'll be working on, leveraging Matic validator network and possibility in Matic. So if the stream period is ended and it was not previously stopped by any party, the payee is entitled to withdraw all deposit fund. This is as per the standard. So you can see there are current implementations of this money streaming standard. Sablier is one of the first implementation. Aztec protocol has implemented a not stream, privacy preserving version of the money streaming. And then there is Parcel HQ, another implementation, but none of them have really explored the possibility of layer 2, and especially layer 2, the possibilities of Plasma and Matic network. And this is what would like to do. So what would be the fusion layer? I've mentioned integrating VDF into ERC 1620 time function, then a very novel dispute verified oracles into ERC 1620, then integrating a bonding curve so that you can tokenize the continuous stream of money through a bonding curve, and then create using a payable token through ERC 1363, deploying all the standards into Matic network. And the value proposition is definitely secure block times and block numbers through VDF, integration with Matic network, integration with bonding curve, payable tokens, and optimistic roll-up oracles. This will make our approach different and differentiated from Sablier Finance, Nord Stream from Aztec, and the Parcel HQ approaches. This is the architecture overview. You can see the money streaming dApp will be connected to ERC 1620, 1671, and 1363 smart contracts, all of which are hosted in Matic network. The 1620 secured by verified delay functions, and 1671, which is currently in the proposal stage, creating a continuous, bonding curve, fungible bonding curve tokens. So Matic network is what we are really excited to build this on. And this is the Matic network architecture. And this is the current build update. I've already deployed Starkware VDF beacon contract on Matic testnet. Data dispute Oracle has been already deployed on Matic testnet. Other token standards, ERC 1620, 1671, 1360, 1363 deployment on Matic network is in progress, and the dApp development is in progress. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present this update in the Build and Earn program.